Alright guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing and a slight review on this MANSCAPED Lawn Mower 4.0. Let's see what we got. We're excited. A little fun right there. Alright. How do I open this thing? Oh, just right here. Oh, okay, I like the presentation. Let's see. Look at that. Really, really clean, honestly. Let's see if there's anything else in here other than you guys would want to see. Yeah, okay, there's different options. Overall, looks really, really cool, really, really clean. I'll give a different review later, but just want to come on here and do a quick unboxing. 10 out of 10 so far.